Good morning, online owls. It's our Friday assembly. Today is October 2nd, 2020. Let's start by getting moving.
Welcome back to another Brain Break, the game where we energize our bodies to ignite our minds. And today we're playing This or That Video Game Edition. You'll have 10 seconds to choose between two video games and 20 seconds to do the matching Fortnite emote dance. Here we go with round one, Minecraft or Roblox? If you said Minecraft, you have to do dance moves. And if you said Roblox, floss. Nice moves. On to round two, mobile games. Clash of Clans or Pokemon Go? If you said Clash of Clans, you have to ride the pony. If you said Pokemon Go, you're doing the robot. On to round three, sports games. Madden or NBA 2K? If you said Madden, you have to do best mates. And if you said NBA 2K, you have to do the hype. Woo, you guys are good. All right, how about this? Mario Kart or Zelda? On to the next round. And these are multiplayer games. Super Smash Bros. Or Super Mario Party? If you said Super Smash Bros., you're doing the twist. If you said Mario Party, swipe it. All right, how about this round? Just Dance or Animal Crossing? If you said Just Dance, you're doing Scenario. And if you said Animal Crossing, Marsh Walk. Okay, final round. Kingdom of Hearts or the Lego Movie video game? If you said Kingdom of Hearts, you're doing Dream Feet. And if you said Lego Movie, you're doing Daydream. Great job, my friends. You have some awesome dance moves. Be sure to subscribe.
Now for some morning announcements. Thank you to those of you that submitted a drawing for our mascot for our school. I'll share all those submissions with the whole school community next week. And I want you to know we have some wonderful artists in our school. Next thing to talk about is that online owls are wise. That means they're willing, they have integrity, they act safely, and they engage in their learning. But what does it mean to be willing? Well, if you look in the dictionary, it says that willing means eager, ready, or prepared to do something. So what does it mean to us as a school, as online owls? That means online owls are ready, eager, and prepared to learn every day. What does that look like? Well, it would mean that all your materials are ready for your lessons. That means you have everything ready and set before class starts. It also means that your assignments are completed, so you are prepared to share all your learning with others in your class. Next week, we'll be talking about what it means to have integrity. Finally, here's Friday's joke. What did the science book say to the math book? Wow, you've got problems. Have a great day of learning and a fantastic weekend.